There we go, I'm on. Yeah. What's up, everybody? So I am out here on a frozen lake in Minnesota. I'm here with Justin from JD Outdoors. I actually met him at the St. Paul Ice Show, and that was a couple weeks ago, and he sent me a message and said, come on up, let's go fish. So I jumped at the opportunity, and it will be the first time that I have the ice shack out. So that's awesome. I haven't used that thing yet, even though I've had it for over a year. So we haven't even drilled any holes yet. We've been just standing here talking, commenting on the beautiful weather. It's supposed to get up to what, like about 40 degrees today? Yeah, it's supposed to hit about 40. I think we're on like what, 8 inches?
8 to 10, yeah.
8 to 10 inches of ice. So it's gonna be great. It's gonna be a beautiful day. And we're gonna start getting some holes punched, get the camera set up, and we're gonna get to fishing. So stay tuned. All right, first Minnesota ice hole. We're just gonna go right here. Yeah, we got plenty of ice here, guys. And we're the only ones on the water. That's how much ice we got. Yeah, that's at least 8 inches. Yeah, we're definitely sitting over some weeds. But I'm just gonna drop something down there and see what happens. Good morning, guys. So we're out here at a new spot. As you can tell, yesterday did not work out for us at all, but this spot looks a bit more promising. There are some other people out here. I think I've seen 2, maybe 3. They're setting up over on that side over there too. And this lake has some better depth changes, so hopefully that helps us out quite a bit. I'm still out here with Justin from JD Outdoors. So it's a pretty fancy area. I don't know if you guys can see the houses on the bank, but those are not cheap domiciles. So we're gonna see if we can catch some fish here. There's some decent species in here, yellow perch, all that stuff. So we're gonna give it a send and see if we can catch something. Stay tuned. Ooh, I just got my first legit mark.
Legit mark?
Legit. There we go, I'm on.
No.
Yep. Oh! It's that 2-pound line, boy.
Did you break?
Yep, he took it.
No.
Oh, God. It was pull and drag.
Heavy?
Yeah. Oh, you gotta get down there. I'm gonna move up to the bigger rod, I think, because this is the only line that I've got on this one. Man, I think he at the bottom of the ice got it, and he was in the middle of the water column at like 15 feet.
Really?
Hey, that's a good sign. I don't care.
Yeah, out here for 15 minutes. You already got one?
Yep. Oh, I knew this was going to be an issue. I should have restrung this thing with something heavier. Oh man, I horsed him way too hard. I was too excited. Yeah. Oh man. I was pounding the bottom and he came at like 20, what am I in, like 25 feet, and he came in about 15 hard, big mark, and I reeled up to him and he nailed it. There we go. Okay, there's a mark coming up to it. There was anyways. There we go. I'm on. Am I on? I'm on. First ice fish of of Minnesota. Smallest fish I think we can catch, but I caught one, so I can't complain too much. But that is definitely not the size we're looking for here. That's probably why I'm getting little hits, but we'll go ahead and drop him back down the hole and see if we can catch a bigger one. Run away, buddy. Well, y'all, I came across this pretty fresh hole here. I don't know if they were spearing or sight fishing down here, but the ice was only like, oh, that's the ice that was on top of it. Half inch, a little over half inch maybe. So I busted through it, hoping that when I put the shack up over the top of it like this, that I would be able to see down there, but the water is not that clear. But it would be nice to be able to watch a fish come up through here. I just don't think I'm gonna have any luck, but there we go. I'm on. There we go. Oh, that's a nice fish. It's a nice gill. Look at that, guys. Got him wrapped up in my juicer. Nothing amazing. Let's see if I can get a window open here so you guys get a little bit better color on that guy. But that ain't bad. Get out. Get that out of your mouth. Not too shabby. That was pretty cool being able to pull that guy out of that big hole and watch him come up. We're just gonna toss him back down there and get back down and see if we can catch something else out of this hole. That was pretty cool. Look at him down there. Oh, and he took off. He looked at my waxy again for a second and was like, no, I don't want that again. There we go, I'm on again. That seems a little bit bigger maybe. Oh, about the same thing. There we go. Got another one. He's got that down his hole a little bit there. Come on, bud. I'll let you go. Hold on. Chill out. Still got my waxy. At least I know it's not the same fish. The other one had a one black spot on its tail right there, or one black spot right in there. So, oop, and he's back down the hole and gone. Hey, I got a couple gills, yeah. Lovely. There's a big hole in here if you want to dangle in my hole. Well, you came in here, now of course there's nothing there.
Well, there's a mark right on the bottom, unless that's you.
I'm right there. All right, we're gonna make a move here, folks. Quite a bit of a move, I think. We're gonna try to find a better spot. I'll show you how you mark a hole like this so that people don't come by with their dogs or on a bicycle or something and fall in. So, take some sticks. We've got some sticks here. And you wanna bundle up some snow around the edges, so you've got some spots to put your sticks in. I think I've got a shovel in here. Anywhere you're at, if you have the ability to put a hole like this in the ice, and you do, when you're done with it, you really need to mark your spot so somebody coming by doesn't fall in. And it's pretty easy to do. Just shove some sticks in there. Like so. That way when you walk away from that, people will know it's there. That's how I knew it was there. And nobody falls in, because that hole will not be safe to walk on for a while. I'm on. What is it? Come on, what is it? Crappie.
Yeah! How big? Pretty small, huh?
Pretty small.
Mike's got a crappie.
Not too shabby, boys. Come on, I'm gonna get it out of your mouth, guy. Come on, come on, come on, come on. It's too bad we're not finding any big monsters, but a fish is better than no fish. And you're gonna give me that waxy back. There we go. Back down the hole. Back down the hole. Okay, had to throw a new battery in. We're still at the same spot. I got that crappie down. I think you guys saw that. And it looks like there's still some stuff sitting down there in like 27 feet of water. Let's see if we can pull another one up. Oh yeah, dude. Awesome. That's a sour ale with blackberry and apricot, and we're gonna hang out on the ice here, keep our fingers crossed that we catch something else, and have a drink and watch the guys riding by on their bicycles. God, this is This is an awesome lake. I would come here a lot, I feel like.
Yeah, and this thankfully is really close. I think I'll be coming here a lot.
I think this would probably be better better off for you than that other one.
Yeah.
But
Cheers.
cheers.
Sorry.
That's actually really good, folks.
It's tart, but
That's good. That was really good. Is this a Minnesota brewery then?
Able Brewing, yep.
Yep.
Minnesota.
Minneapolis, Minnesota. Able Seed House Brewery in Minneapolis. And I've
Only 4.6%, so
and I
it's
got
not like the IPAs I drink where you have one and it's like having
Yeah.
anything else.
it's one. It's like you drank a bottle of wine. You're like, oh shit. Well, I'm gonna dangle in this spot a little bit longer. Might not be catching mondos, but we're sitting in a real cool spot. I'm on, and I don't even have my sonar down. That's a decent one. There was a couple people that just walked by. They had skateboards with no wheels on, and they were sliding around. Maybe they were actual like snow things, but they were sliding around and trying to do tricks and stuff. It's just like, it's a bit mind-boggling to a Nebraska guy, you know. We just, like, people around there just, they don't like going outside when it gets cold out. But up here, everybody's like, oh snap, there's extra places we can play. Let's drop back down our hole here. And I'm on again. There's another gill. Second drop. Just chill out, bud. Ugh.
That's a nice gill, dude.
It's a decent sized one. And I'm surprised because I'm only in like 4 feet of water, 5 feet of water.
Is this a sunny? I think that's a sunny.
Maybe.
I'm not sure. I can never tell. That's beautiful. That's a good
It's got
dude,
some good look to
That's
it.
a hand.
Yeah,
That's a good size gill.
that's a decent one.
Nice job, man.
Thank you.
Beautiful. I might have to come post up.
Let's see if we can get another one. Get this thing out of his mouth here. Maybe I should set. Yeah. Second drop, like both times. Ah, and he got all my waxies, but that's fine. Send him back down the hole. I should set my other camera up, but.
Dude, look at that.
Bam. That is awesome.
Nice little largemouth. Fat. He is fat for his size.
Yeah.
Thick little guy. Oh man. I'm gonna get a quick picture, quick selfie, and we'll get this guy back. Awesome,
That's
dude.
awesome.
My first bass through the ice. He was a big mark.
Was he?
He was a pretty big mark. Like all of a sudden, I just noticed it was either like 2 or 3 decent gills that all came up at once, or this guy.
Or a big one.
And he just choked. He smoked it.
What depth are you in?
5 feet.
Same as
4
me.
feet.
Huh. Awesome, man. Well, it'd be cool if I could catch bass, but the way my graph is sucking ass all of a sudden, I don't know if that's possible, but who big mark came in on it. Yeah, you got another one? Maybe he'll have my hook in his mouth. What is it?
Oh my God, it's a big largemouth. It's a big largemouth. Can you get him?
Yeah.
You guys care about this ball?
Bam!
Let's go!
That's awesome.
Yes, dude. Oh my God. I got a picture of you guys, man.
There, yeah.
That's beautiful, guys.
That is great, man.
Oh, what a stud.
That's the best fish of the day.
Oh, dude.
Oh, that's awesome.
Oh my God. I don't even care.
Totally worth it now. Oh, that's great.
Wow. I got him right in the upper lip.
Nailed it.
I mean, the 3-pound line. Tiny little crappie jigs.
Rip and drag.
Yeah, I brought him with me from over there for you.
Followed you over.
Thanks a lot.
Yeah. Oh, that was great.
Sweet.
That was great.
Oh my God.
That was awesome.
He's young.
I'm moving over here.
He's young. He's in his early 20s.
Sure.
All right. I'm gonna go grab my stuff and move. because I'm not over there catching anything big, and that's the second bass he got. And a random passerby wanted to take some photos. We're famous on the internet. Dur, dur, dur. There we go. That's a decent sized deal right there. That's a pretty big one. That might be one of the bigger ones I've caught all day. There we go. Hooked up? Oh, nice. That's probably one of the bigger ones I've actually caught. Maybe that might be about the size I was out of that big old spear hole or whatever that was. Well, there we go, guys. I'm not catching anything big. Justin, of course, is catching big things. Why is it that anytime I go out with somebody, they fish better than I do? But God, it's just a beautiful day. And there's just people wandering all over the lake around here. It's kind of mind-boggling to me as a Nebraska goon. People just don't do that around there. So, get this guy back down the hole here. Bam. And I'm gonna get my, I thought that was getting hit. I'm gonna drop back down there, see if I can get something else. Well, guys, I stuck that rod that I was using in a little holder right there to run it as a dead stick. And I'm gonna use this rod here now. This one I believe is just a light action, medium light, 26-inch medium light, so it's a bit smaller. I don't want to go back to the little nasty because I only have 2-pound line on that, and I immediately got broken off when I got here. So I'm gonna give this one a shot. It's a little bit different jig head. The other one was like a fire tiger, and instead of like putting these on kind of sideways, I'm gonna put it on more straight like you would a regular plastic here and see if that helps. Feels like I should have greased this reel up or something. There we go. Just a little gill. Come out. Oh, he's wrapped up. Well, guys, maybe it was just the color change is all it took.
Nice. Yeah, maybe they were swatting at it. But
Mm-hmm. Stick it back down the hole here.
Come on.
There we go. Just popped right out of the hole.
You just pulled him.
Well, I'm only in 4 feet of water.
There we go.
Tell that big old bass boy to come give me a bite.
It'd be cool if, honestly, if you and I could plan like a long weekend up at Mille Lacs or
I'd be 100% down for
something like that. But that would definitely get more expensive because I'd want to like rent something on the water or something, even just as a home base. Like we don't even have to stay on the, in the little castle or whatever.
Well, if we did something like that and I didn't need to bring this thing up, I just drive my car. And that gets 30 miles a gallon. There we go. Too concerned. Little gillian.
Nice.
Robbed. Just coming over here to shut this off, and Justin hooks up.
Little guy.
There we go. Now he's gonna feed both of us with that a little bit later.
Check out that sunset.
Yeah, I know, dude. Just couldn't ask for a better day. Of course, with my camera, you can't really see that too well, but there's a sunset right there. Behind me, got the beautiful Minneapolis skyline right there, which you can't really see in this angle either, but it's getting pretty late. It's starting to cool off, so I think we're gonna get packed up and get headed out of here pretty quick. I'm about out of GoPro batteries. The one I'm wearing only has 7% left, and that's the last battery that I've got. And like I said before, I have a 6-hour drive home tonight. So, but we had a great day. I was pretty stoked to get out here and catch some fish. I didn't catch any monsters. Justin managed to hook into a bass that was probably close to 3 pounds. But I'll link his channel down below so you guys can make sure to check that out. I'm gonna turn around to get some better light on my face. Hopefully I can get back up here sometime this winter again and get some more fishing in. But if you thought the video was cool, definitely give it a like. It helps me out a lot. If you haven't hit that subscribe button, go ahead and hit it. Stay tuned for the next adventure. I'll see you in a bit.